Hello guys, welcome to Rao's Academy. Today's topic is the golden period of Indian IT sector is over or not yet. The topic is very scary and it is very scary and also it is creating lot of uncertainty among the Indian IT employees, and everybody is thinking whether their job is safe or not, and all the freshers are thinking whether they will get the job or not. So let's go back to the topic. On February 3rd, Wednesday, Indian IT sector investors has lost around 2 lakh crore Indian rupees. TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HCL investors has lost around 2 lakh crore Indian rupees. Let's try to connect the dots. What is happening in the America and why it is impacting the Indian IT market. There is a startup called Anthropic AI in US, that is a California based startup. It has released its Cloud Co-work agent model with 11 plugins which supports legal services, healthcare, education, sales and marketing. So how it impacts the Indian IT service market? For example, if you take any Indian IT services company like Infosys, Wipro or TCS, they work on a billable model. Most of the times US companies gives outsourcing work to India because they will get it at cheaper billing rate. For example, they give some kind of work like data entry work or legal checks or compliance checks or legal document verification. That kind of works we will get. Those works we will get it done at cheaper rate from India. So now number of employees is equal to the number of revenue for Indian companies because it always depends on the headcount and revenue model. That is how Indian IT services companies works. But now this Anthropic AI, what it is saying, they don't need multiple people or multiple humans to do this job. What they are claiming is their software can do the job in seconds. That means hundreds of people, whatever the job can be done, that software can do in seconds. That means what they are saying, they don't need the humans to do all this kind of work. Now investors has thought, why the US companies will pay lot of money for this work? Why don't they pay to the software and they will reduce the burden for their company? So that thought has created lot of impact. On a single day on February 4th, Wednesday, the Indian IT sector market has crashed and has seen the bloodbath in the IT stock market and has seen 2 lakh crore loss in the market. Example, Infosys has lost around 6% and TCS, HCL has lost around 5 to 6%, and also Wipro has also lost around 6%. That means around 2 lakh crores has lost in the Indian IT services market. Now, is it going to be end in the IT services market? Can we say that? Okay, let's review the history back. In 2018, global recession happened. The global recession had hit the lot of market, IT services market, but TCS became more and more strong and recruited many employees later. And when you go back to the 2015, then also the cloud computing came. Then many said that the maintenance jobs and all will go away and there won't be any maintenance works. But our people became cloud experts and cloud engineers, and they learned cloud technologies and they become cloud experts and got the jobs. Now the thing is little different now. Now jobs will be there, but the job count or job volume will be reduced. There might be roles like AI architect or AI attorneys or AI engineers, we can say. That roles will evolve, but the traditional coding roles and all will go away. For example, in any software company, there used to be a senior code developer. They used to review the code and junior developers used to write the code. But now what is happening, AI is writing the code and one senior engineer is enough to review the code. That's how, for example, TCS is recruiting every year 50,000 freshers. This may reduce to 5,000 smart AI engineers. So there is a definitely impact on the IT services market. This is really scary and we are not sure what is going to happen in the IT market. Even I am not sure what is going to happen in the future. But only thing is be alert, be ready to learn new technologies in the market, and always be ready to capture what is happening in the industry. Thank you all. So my suggestion is learn new technologies, upgrade to the new skill sets, and be ready every time with the changes in the market. Thank you all. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe so that I will come up with more and more videos like this.